But thickness at the bottom, are you ready for this?
Go on, tell me.
660 feet. So where you are standing at the moment is 45 feet across. 660 feet down at the bottom.
That's colossal, isn't it?
2 football stadiums. Amazing. And we've arrived at Hoover Dam. 7:45 in the morning. Beautiful temperature, about 82 Fahrenheit. No wind. Come and join us now as we walk across this awesome architecture and very, very famous place 30 miles outside of Vegas. It's going to be fun. We're currently on the Arizona side. Right in the middle of the dam will be the state border. And we'll walk into Nevada and then back to Arizona where we're parked. So yeah, the spillway tunnel now. We're going to be taking the raft a little bit later. And we're going to be the other end of that spillway tunnel, isn't it?
That's right, yeah. So you can see how low the lake is, because when it was spilling over, it had to come over these rusty parts of the dam here, didn't it?
It did. The water level's definitely lower than last year, I think. Now this is one of the enjoyable facts that I've got here. So if you look at it, the last time the waters of the Colorado River flowed through the spillway was 1983. Ronald Reagan was president and gasoline only cost 93 cents. When Lake Mead is full, water flows through the spillway around the dam. So these spillways have not really been used since 1983.
See how low
I'm not sure how high that watermark is. It's got to be a few, probably a couple hundred feet at least, isn't it?
I'd say so, yeah. Yeah. So that's a lot of water messing, isn't it, from there?
To what it was, yeah. They are enormous, and if you think about it, there's still quite a few hundred feet of water below those intake towers. I would assume the intake towers are the size of the dam, aren't they?
Mm. You can't think that, even though the water's so low, how deep it still actually is, can you?
No, it's still very, very deep water there.
Have a look over.
It's incredible when you think the amount of water that's been howled against the dam there. The force of the water creating Lake Mead is
I
unbelievable.
wonder how much water is actually going through the dam this morning.
Yeah, because all these towers are actually taking water through and releasing it, aren't they?
Yeah. And it's driving all them huge turbines.
Turbines and electricity, yeah. Yeah, so this is an interesting part then. We are now right in the middle of the Hoover Dam. To the left is Nevada, to the right is Arizona. So my left foot is in a different state than my right foot. Yeah, the Nevada intake towers. Very, very spectacular. Yeah, US Department of the Interior, Bureau of Reclamation, 1931 to 1935. Wow. Incredible.
And the gold.
Yeah, so rubbing the toes of the bronze statues there should bring you good luck. But nobody's really done that for a while. That has got to be my favourite view. That looks awesome. Now the temperatures are getting very, very warm now. And we're approaching the shop area and the high scaler here. And a stunning view the Mike O'Connell Bridge. And what was incredible to know here is a high scaler, very, very dangerous job. 98 people lost their lives building Hoover Dam. It's getting so hot, and it's nice to get by a cooling station and have a little cool down.
Amazing how
Absolutely beautiful around here, isn't it? It's
there and the rock just blasted it out of the rock there.
the height of the dam is incredible, isn't it? Yeah, the tours actually would be down at the bottom of the dam there, and you can walk along.
It doesn't look like much water's coming through the dam, because you can normally see it popping out there at the bottom.
Probably not releasing much of the water at the moment, I guess.
No, that's probably because of this.
Hoover Dam, named in honour of Herbert Clark Hoover, the 31st President of the United States. Currently, at the moment, we've got Joe Biden, 46, Donald Trump was 45. Could Donald Trump be 47? Who knows? Interesting facts, elevation of the roadway where we're here at the moment is at 1232. Elevation at the lowest point of the foundation, 506 feet. Height of the dam, 726 feet. And the length of the crest, 1244. Thickness at the top, 45 feet. But thickness at the bottom, are you ready for this?
Go on, tell me.
660 feet. So where you are standing at the moment is 45 feet across, 660 feet down at the bottom.
That's colossal, isn't it?
2 football stadiums, amazing. That's a damn lot of concrete, what do you reckon?
A lot of concrete.
Think about it, right in the middle of the dam here, the right hand side is the state of Nevada, the left hand side the state of Arizona. And that's the Colorado River heading downstream now towards Southern California, and it ends up in Mexico. I think the water that side has come from Colorado through the Grand Canyon and into Lake Mead, and it's let through here. Awesome.
Better view.
That's giving you a great view now with the sun at the back of us. And you can clearly see the depth of Hoover Dam there. It's damn breathtaking, what do you think?
Definitely. Let's just have a look.
And damned high.
Over there.
Do you know what? I'm so damn glad that we keep coming back to the Hoover Dam each year. And there is another damn good view of Hoover Dam. Are you guys fed up with these damn comments at the moment? If you are, drop me a damned comment. And of course, damn subscribe to the channel.